Hey guys, hi and welcome to another episode of Weekly Showcase. And I am with me Shahid, who was a winner of our challenge
Hi,
on Quora. Hi Shahid, good evening.
good
Sorry
evening
for
to you
keeping you
too.
waiting. This session took a little time to get started, but we are here finally.
Yeah,
Nice to have you here. Before we start,
thank
I'd
you.
love to know who you are and where you're based, what you're doing. Uh, we would love to know more details about you.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you for inviting me actually.
Yeah.
So I'm actually a student. I'm doing masters in design from
Okay.
Pune in MIT,
Okay.
MITID. So I'm
Okay.
doing immersive media design. It looks on more futuristic part of design like VR and AR.
Okay.
But I'm much more interested in UX side also.
All right.
So mine is like UX in VR and AR. That's what I'm focusing right now.
So interesting. So when you say you VR and AR, what exactly do you do in your course? Like in the practical part. I mean, theory I can understand. What practically what is it that you guys actually work on from the design perspective?
So some of the project we do is like how do we train. So one of project right now I'm doing is training for the ventilator. Like how do we train healthcare professionals using ventilator?
Oh,
How?
okay.
Oh
Very
yeah.
interesting.
So that's some of There's
Very
one of the
interesting.
VR projecting. Yes.
This is
So
very nice.
similarly, yeah.
And
Education,
your
IoT also. Yeah.
this is how long a course? Like, is it how? What's the duration of the
Two
course?
years. It's 2 years. I'm
And
almost done actually.
you're almost done. All
Right
right.
now I'm looking for internships. Like my course is done.
Okay.
Now I have 6 months of internships.
Okay. That's
That's
interesting.
like it's on that
So
actually searching for
great.
internship. That is
Great.
the focus right now.
We've not had a challenge on VR and AR. Maybe that's a good thing to pick up.
Yes,
Maybe you'd top of top
I think
for
it's high
that.
time. Yeah,
Yeah,
design. Yeah,
yeah.
I think
And the other aspect is that this was your first challenge. This was the first time you took part and you won, which is
it
a
is.
trend that we've also seen. That's happened quite a. I don't know whether it's because of fresh perspective, but what we're going to talk about, and this is for the audience that maybe they don't know about the challenge. So what we're going to talk about is the challenge was centered around Quora and how Quora, as such, is a product which faces competition from Google, and that is a problem. So
Yes,
the problem that we were trying to solve is, Google kind of indexes Quora, and although the questions are actually answered on Quora, and there are a lot of people who loved Quora, slowly but surely Google is able to give you all the answers that you could possibly think about, and do it better because it granularizes it puts its own data models, it aggregates very well. So slowly but surely this, and it's not just competition. So competition from Google, competition from various other social media as well. And what can Quora do about it? Quora is doing certain things, but they're going like Spaces, etc. A lot of you guys talked about it. But what Shahid had talked about, and that's what we'll come to, is the focus on what makes Quora unique. And what makes Quora unique is the conversation that you're able to have. This is the part, right? Bringing in influencers. And Shahid, if you can run me through this, what was the thought process behind this?
sure.
You a Quora user, like because you're much younger than me. For our time, Quora was the property to go to if you want to seek knowledge. Think about, is that the case even now? And did that help in
So,
bridging that gap and trying to get the solution out for this?
so you can actually tell me. I used to use Quora for a while,
Okay.
like especially for education things. Like there's so many testimonials from colleges and how's education, how is
Yeah.
the maybe like interviews and stuff, how is going. How for
Okay.
students, I think it's still great.
Relevant. Relevant.
Yeah, it's relevant. It's still
Yeah.
relevant. So I
Yeah.
understood from that is what people actually talk of their own personal
Experiences.
opinions and their own personal experience exactly.
Yeah.
So I thought like there's always a connection between people in Quora, even it's in a very off online connection. It's still a very valuable connections they have.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's one.
And then you say that why is it that the main part which I could actually resonate is that since people take contacts from Quora and then go and talk on some other messaging app, so there some
Yeah,
moat is being lost. Where did this I mean, it's obvious once you hear it, but it's not obvious when you're thinking about it, because I doubt, and this was, again, I've been a while since I've used Quora, but never really imagine Quora as a place where you can have a one-on-one conversation with an individual for an extended time. So where did this thought
yeah.
come from? Have you reached out to people and had
But
conversations?
so no, I haven't reached out, but I've seen that like messages of people saying that, oh, I met them through Quora, then I got their number and then texted them in WhatsApp
Okay,
or something. So
okay,
I found out that like why you have to go to another app for that? Why can't we just use Quora for that? And Quora has a messaging feature in it, but it's like very hidden and it's not like out in the open.
yeah,
It's actually
that's
there, but it's just yeah, it's just
and
like hidden place.
it is a little hidden. And the other part of your suggestion, which I liked even more because it was a little bold. So a lot of the others, and the reason why you won also, a lot of the others were not sure on what exactly is it that you're protecting from the competition, right? And like there was this part whereby people were like, we shouldn't become like the other social media nets. So a lot of the suggestions were that, but you took another step. You said that why not become like the part where you say that why can't you post a video or voice? Interesting. Where did this thought again come to? Like, is it like you're having these conversations somewhere else, just noticing them? Like, where did this thought come from?
So as like a community, as a people who is online, I think we are getting much more bolder and getting much more very vocal, and we want to show our faces, we want to
Yeah,
showcase our answers in a very different manner. So like
like we're
the
doing
rise
now.
of TikTok,
Like we're
yeah,
doing now.
TikTok,
Like we're
yeah,
doing right
exactly,
now in this session.
exactly, yes.
Yeah,
It's all become very, I think this is much more personal way of right
yeah,
communicating also. So I
yeah.
thought rather than just writing, why can't we just put photos or videos, things like
Mm,
that, because
mm,
photos are becoming a thing right now in
yeah,
Quora. Like there are photos a lot,
yeah.
so why can't we add videos and voice to it just to add that emphasis on it?
And the
So that's how.
interesting thing is once you hear both these suggestions, I mean, they're not too brilliant, but if you have those, it definitely becomes a thing that you can protect, because Google doesn't do that. Google has what? Google has just basic answers, which
Yes,
one-liners. People, there's no elaboration, which is the main part, right? I remember when I was a Quora user, it was the fact that somebody took out the time to explain to you and share that experience. I guess that is where you're coming to, right?
yes,
When
that's
you
what.
suggest it.
Again, that community, building that community, or preserving that community, or making that community bigger, that connections bigger, that connections better. That's all the idea was actually. So what I understood is Quora was much more can be a social media platform. They were
Hmm.
like playing in between, either social media or either a knowledge-based platform. Like
Precisely.
they're playing in between. So if they can focus on one thing, like if they say we are a social media platform where we create a community of people who wants to know answers and wants to interact with them. One if interested in one topic, they want to get deeper into it,
Yeah.
there's a community for you, and these are questions they ask and these things. So
Yeah.
that was the basic idea of it. Then I just went on like adding the messages or adding a voice or adding the video. It's all part of that,
Yeah.
I think.
And that's interesting. Some people ask, like, how do you go about solving a problem? Some people are like, acha, theek hai, pehle research karo. In this case, the research I don't think was essential. I mean, it could have helped, but your main idea was very strong. That you take a plunge towards one of the two, and you don't just sit on the fence, and you decide that you want to be a social network. Very, very fair point. Okay. From this, I would like to understand, how did you discover us, and what is the the to to come and do a challenge on Quora when you're doing your design in AR and VR? What was the motivation for you to do that?
So actually, it was very randomly. I think I saw you in LinkedIn or somewhere. I'm not very sure where I saw you, but I
Okay.
saw a post that it's a job opportunity post. Something said that if you have participated in UX hack, you get extra points or something like
Yeah.
that. Something
Yeah.
similar to in that
Yeah.
words. So I
Yeah.
saw that. That's why I understood there's something called UX hack. I've seen
Okay.
hackathons for like for the programming or computer science
Yeah.
side stuff like that, but I never see from UX. So that was
Okay.
very interesting for me. So I
Okay.
always wanted to do this kind of competition. That was the thing. Then when I found it, yeah, I was like, oh, let's try it. And I was very interested in UX also. So that is just, it was an easy jump actually.
Okay. That's great.
Once I came to know there is something like this, it was easy for me to just get into it.
That's
That's how I
great.
actually got.
And the other thing, maybe this is a little personal. So you are a photographer, and we like to see because this is a showcase. And I think we
Yeah.
were going to do this 1 week back, and you said you were in a shoot. So just want to understand a
Yes.
little bit, if you would love to share with the audience, what is it your interest with photography? What type of photography are you interested in?
So actually, I'm not a photographer. I'm a video editor,
Okay.
cinematographer. Not a
Okay.
photographer, cinematographer. Yeah, but
See,
I do photography
I mean, a
also.
guy who knows nothing about video photos, he doesn't know the term. So you call her,
Yeah, yeah.
you use any terms,
I'm
but yeah,
also a video
please
person.
elaborate. Love to know that.
Yeah. So I've been like video editor for like 5 6 years right now. Like I
Okay.
started from school, so yeah, I started working from school, like doing part time and stuff. Now I've been
Okay.
like now I'm like heading a team in Gujarat actually. Right now I'm in Gujarat,
Very
heading
interesting.
a video team.
Okay.
So and we also do shoots, we do events, and we do ads. So
Nice.
advertisements. So the last week was an ad for a company around here in Gujarat. So
Okay.
that's when we have to reschedule this. So we
Okay.
actually do a shoot of that cinematography and edit of that. That is
And
where I am.
you are the guy who does the video editing of it all.
Yes,
So
and I
I
do
know.
shoot also. It's
So
both. Yeah,
now I know who to contact in case we want to do better editing of our videos. We
sure,
have a guy,
sure.
and he could at least guide us, how to do this better, because we are just learning. And it has been a pleasure. It has been such a smooth conversation on this Saturday. Thank you so much, Shahid. I'm hopeful that the others who are trying to see whether I can take
Yes.
part in these
Thank you so
challenges or not. I think your views will definitely help. And thank you once again for taking time out. Finally, could you help me in saying like, subscribe, and comment? So in case you like this video, go ahead. You can complete this for me. In case, go
Yeah.
ahead. How do you say it?
Like, subscribe, and comment for this video.
Okay, chalo, very simple. All right, great. I love to give it
Yeah.
to others because I don't do it well. Thank you once again. And okay, you guys can catch us in the next weekly showcase, which will come out very, very soon. Thank you.